Can't find your NVIDIA graphics card in Device Manager? In this video, I will show you quick and easy steps to make it show up again. Let's get started. So, hidden devices and scan for changes. First, click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Launch it. Now at the top, click View and select Show Hidden Devices. Next, click Action and choose Scan for hardware changes. Expand Display Adapters and see if your NVIDIA GPU shows up. If it does, great. If not, you can follow these steps. Install optional driver updates. So, launch your settings. Click on Windows Update on the left. Scroll down to Advanced Settings. Click Optional Updates. If you see any driver updates, especially graphics or chipset drivers, install them. Once done, restart and check Device Manager again. If it's still missing, try this quick command. Search for command prompt, launch it. Click on Run as administrator. Now here type in the command prompt bcdebit space / set space PCI Express space force disable. Hit enter, restart and check Device Manager again. As a last resort, what you can do is restart your PC and keep tapping F2 to enter the BIOS. Once inside, look for an option to restore defaults or load optimized defaults. Set it and save changes. Reboot and check Device Manager again. And that's it. Follow these steps and your NVIDIA GPU should be back where it belongs. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.